Let's make a very unique dumplings recipe today. This is a vegan chicken and rice momos, or since they look like porcupine, they are also called as porcupine dumplings. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight for amazing vegetarian and vegan recipes from all around the world. I've taken 1.5 cups of soy chunks. You can also take soy curls or soy granules. These are easily available in any grocery store under the vegan section or in any Indian or Asian stores. Wash it thoroughly under running water or in a bowl like I am doing. Then take some water in a pot or a saucepan and add all the soy chunks in it. They don't take much time, so when they start to boil, give it a stir and let it boil for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, here I've taken half cup of basmati rice. I'm gonna rub and wash it thoroughly until it gets clear water. So wash it for 2-3 times, then soak for 30 minutes. Now let's check our soy chunks. In just 5 minutes, the soy chunks will be nicely cooked or softened. They'll become super soft and squishy like this. Well, you can also soak the soy chunks in some hot water instead of boiling them. Now take a colander or strainer and drain out all the excess water. Then squeeze out most of the water from the soy chunks and keep it aside. If they are too hot, pour some cold water over them and you're good to go. Now take all the soy chunks in a blender jar. Then add few cloves of garlic, few green chilies or Thai peppers. Always take green chilies as per your taste only. Then add 2-inch piece of ginger and a pinch of Asafoetida or Hing. This Asafoetida is optional if you don't get it. Now blend everything together into a fine paste. See, like this. Now add half an onion finely chopped, followed by 1/3 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala which is optional, 1/3 teaspoon cumin powder, salt as per your taste, and 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix everything together. So guys, you are absolutely free to add any spice of your own choice here. In fact, you can replace these Indian spices with the flavors of your own choice like cayenne pepper, thyme, rosemary, dill leaves, anything you like. Then grease your palm and start making small balls out of this mixture. If you want, you can make the shape of your own choice as well, like a shape of a patty or a heart, triangle, square, whatever you like. So see, I have made all the balls and here is my soaked rice. I've taken it out on a plate. Now simply coat all these balls with rice from all the sides. If possible, try and take basmati or any long grain rice only for this recipe. And now I'm gonna steam these balls in my idli steamer as it has good separate compartments. And here is our absolutely stunning little dumplings or momos or dimsums, whatever you call it. Originally these are made with chicken mince and rice, but this recipe is an absolute vegan version of it. Try out this amazing and unique recipe and let me know in the comment section. Also, please hit the like button if you like the recipe and subscribe to Dash of Delight. Press that bell icon so that you don't miss any of the recipes. See you soon. Bye bye.